Hello, this is Algebra 1, Chapter 2, Solving Linear Inequalities Using Addition and Subtraction. This is actually going to be a fairly short video as this is a very simple and self-explanatory concept because you're only using addition and subtraction to solve the inequalities. So I'm going to start it off immediately and take the inequality x plus 10 is less than 5. Less than 5. Okay, so how would I do this? Well, most people, if you've been doing just solving normal equations for a while, your immediate instinct would be to subtract 10 from both sides and have x is equal to negative 5. But wait a minute, this sign and this sign don't match up. So your beginning path was right, but writing x is equal to negative 5 is actually wrong. So after you subtract 10 from both sides and isolate x, you have x is blank negative 5. What would you put there? You'd put the exact same sign over here, So it'd be x is less than negative 5. That looks like x is less than or equal to negative 5. Let me change that. X is less than negative 5. So that is pretty much how you solve that. And you would just take the sign over here and just put it over here and then solve like a normal equation. So let's try another practice problem, and let's say x plus 9 is less than or equal to negative 5. Exact same thing. You subtract 9 from both sides and then you'd have x is less than or equal to negative 14. And why you keep it like this is just because if you plugged, think of it logically. If you plugged any value greater than negative 14, would this inequality over here be true? Well, let's try that out. Let's take x is equal to 0. 0 plus 9 is less than or equal to negative 5. Is 9 less than or equal to negative 5? No, that's not true. So your solution would be anything, any value that's less than negative 14. It just has to be less than or equal to negative 14. So can it be negative 14? Of course it can be negative 14. But can it be negative 13.9? No, it can't, because that's greater than negative 14. So that's pretty much the concept. All I'd say is practice, and the technique actually maintains the same throughout any problem you're given with these simple linear inequalities. And your final solution can be plotted on a number line if it makes it easier for you to visualize it. But that's pretty much it. All I'd say is just keep practicing. Thank you. Bye-bye.